One of the first things you might want to do when you get into SAP is take a look at some of your master data, basically the lists of things that you have available. And for accountants, one of the most important ones is your chart of accounts. In SAP, we can go to that by following this menu path, Expand Accounting, go into Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Information System, General Ledger Reports, Master Data, and then GL Accounts List. All right. Now you see there's also the T code there, S_ALR. So we can always get there using that T code instead. One of the nice things about using T codes is once I have used a T code, it becomes available for me to choose from again. So you can see I've been in a number of screens here. So now if I go back to the main menu and I don't have everything expanded and I forgot where everything was, but I happen to know that the T code I want is this one that ends with 2333, I can go to it that way. All right. Now for you, basically when you go to your chart of accounts, you want to look at your chart of accounts for your company. So in this case, because I have logged in with user ID 27, my chart of accounts will be GL27, and my company code is US27, the way our case companies have been set up. Now, to run the report, I click the little execute button down here, or as you can see, I can also press the F8 key on my keyboard to run this report. And once I do, there are my chart of account items. So I've got all my GL account codes, and then the company code, therefore, and then the long text, what's called the long text, which basically says this is the title of the account that would show up on a report that asks for the long name of the account. Most accounts will also have a short text, and that would be for columnar reports, for example, that don't have as much space for the full name of the account. All right, so that's basically all you need for showing this and displaying your chart of accounts. And this is a good one. You can also print it out. So anything that you do, you can print it out and print it on your local printer. And once you do that, it'll pop up a list of printers that you can choose from. So that's it for your chart of accounts, and let's go back and see what else we can do next.